Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. The clutch cable of my SD Adventure has an issue here. You can see there is a gap and it is eaten away by the clutch tension day after day, and the day has come it needed my attention because I'm able to feel the jerks while shifting the gears and there is a power loss too. So when I checked and measured the eaten away part, it is around 2 centimeters or 20 mm or so. So this made adjustment very difficult because I'm unable to adjust the free plane, the friction zone, etc. So I decided to do a emergency DIY here until a replacement arrive. So what I'm trying to do is fill that gap, the 20 gap, with whatever tools available at home. We can put a nylon bush, that is the first thing, or any hard rubber pipe, that will be very useful. So here I am using a cap of a pen and to the measurement, that is 20 and slit it vertically so that it goes over the steel cable of the clutch cable, steel wire of the clutch cable, and I use the cable ties here. Cable ties act as reinforcement inside the hollow cap. You can use nylon bush or hard rubber pipe, slit it and put it onto the steel wire of the clutch cable. So cable ties act as reinforcement, as I said earlier, makes the structure strong. As these are available at home, I am trying to do with this. So it is very necessary for us to carry a minimum of 5 to 10 cable ties, small or short, with our safety kit. This acts as safety aids during our rides. These are multifunctional toolkits, or what are called. They might seem very small, but they are very useful. So we can use some Araldite or Fevikwik or any glue so that they stay together. Here I am just testing it. Will they act as reinforcements inside the hollow cap? So I added a 5 number of cable ties, small size. You can use big one too. So this acts as an emergency trick or tip, whatever you call. So now I put an insulation tape so that they stay together. My main aim is to fill that gap that is eaten away by the constant tension of the clutch cable, so that there will be room for some adjustment of the clutch. So regarding this, I got to know that this clutch cable tension and friction zone plays a very crucial role even in self-starting in gear, that we will cover in the next video. So if you like the content in the channel, please like, share and subscribe, and watch more informative videos about SD Adventure. There are a lot of videos too. So after taping the DIY kind of thing, clutch cable, and this is how it looks. So we fill the 20 hollow gap, that is jerking issues while gear changing and power loss. So after, we will insert the adjustment rod into the slot and put the cable end onto the clutch yoke. So after final adjustment, that is how it looks. We need to adjust at the handle. Subscribe.